Hey friends, if you wish to change the taskbar size in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the procedure is through the registry editor since there's no a single switch to change the taskbar size. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now go to the path H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version Explorer and advanced. In the right pane, try finding a key named Task SI, and if you don't find it, don't worry, we can create it. So all we need to do is right click in the open space. Let me show you. Right click in the open space, new, div 32-bit value, task SI. Now check the values here. 0 would be small, 1 would be default and 2 would be large. So the default value is being set to 0, which means if I simply restart my computer after creating this entry, the taskbar size will be changed to small. I can change it to 2 for large or 1 for default. Click on OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.